Hello, everyone. Well, I'm going to bring up a few points, rules, suggestions, ideas, etc. Cleanliness. We have big classes and a lot of students during different times, and as a result, we tend to forget about the little things. So when you come to the lab, it should be clean because the class before you should have cleaned it and tidied up the place. That includes make sure you wipe down the massage tables, face cradles after you're done. You're also responsible for wiping down the stools and making sure that each table has a stool. If you gather for a meeting, anything, place the stool back where you got it from, or make sure that each table has a stool. You're also responsible for wiping down the stools also. A lot of times they have oil stains on them. Many are using the oils, lotions, creams that we provide. So if you notice it decreasing, then you should fill it up. And actually, if you have a holster and a bottle, you should fill those up with your favorite. That way, when you're working on someone or someone's working on you, they can use your choice. Now make sure you clean your bottle thoroughly to prevent cross contamination. And actually, I would keep it in a Glad bag or something like that after I wiped it off. Now, if you have your own sheets, you should start bringing them. When you use the school sheets, do not overstack the hamper. Push the sheets down in the bag that is inside the hamper. If there is not a bag in the hamper, then put one. Also, blankets do not go in the hamper because they do not come back. If you use a blanket, do not place it in the clothes hamper or the pillowcase covers. Do not place those in the hamper as well. Also, when you use the lubricants in the cabinet, make sure you place them back where you got them from. Wipe them down first. And if you see that they need to be refilled, please do so. They should be refilled because the class before you should have taken care of that. But sometimes things get a little hectic, get rushed, whatever the case may be. So look out for your fellow man or woman. It's a lot of you guys, and we have to work as a team. As you know, there are no I's in team. And for the most part, I think we do a good job. If you need us, the instructors, we're there for you. So don't ever hesitate if you need assistance. Thank you all.